Eno niyo Kitara Girls nekuleterwa aba.
At Kawalega Resorts, Hoima, your adventure starts with us.
Hamunaba.
Cubs Juice. Taste the refreshness from the sauce.
Kitara TV. Twimukia talanta. Ebyemizano hamu n'ebindi bingi. Ensonga yawe niki Kitara TV. Kwegesa Kumanyisa.
I dare you to bring a P7 pass slip. You cannot even speak English for yourself. You understand? Or not a certificate here, P7. You were a refugee. You also want to come to Vivi. I mean, these are refugees that are lost. I think I am sorry to attack refugees, but then there is this refugee who doesn't know where she belongs. I think she should go back to the camp.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.
Tubatangirire abarozi ba Kitara TV. We are the Kitara Girls. Tugarukire mu mani, tugarukire mu actions. Of course, bulikiro, it is your girl VVC or Vivi's collection. Mu maiso ganyu hanu. Kialeki ya sabitsa haikumi nemu. Oteba subscribing, oteba following, oteba commenting. We are back with a vibe, with the violence. Of course, with my girl, the one and only.
Kathe Omunywani
Omwana
wamasimbi.
Okay, so that
kwenda kubasima muno kutugonza nkabulikiro ninyowe Kathe omumanyiro mwana wamasindi mwebale yo mu break yaitu mwebale kutugonza ababaye nibatutoza alowumba autoko nebo je shoka tutakyagira tugarukire mwebale kutugonza.
Okay. Of course, katwanza tukola hensimbiza bakama baitu. The main sponsor of this show, it is one and only Kabalega Resort Hoima. Kabalega Resort Hoima ogisanga 4 kilometers noruga Hoima mu town no muhanda gwa Masindi hamkono gwa bulyo no kyaruga Hamaranatha Primary School obokusa kubahikira ha 0393 19 38 60. Kabalega Resort Masindi okusa kubasanga 3 kilometers noruga Masindi mu town amuhanda gwa Kampala Road over nogenda Bigando. Still hamkono gwa bulyo obokusa kubahikira 0392 900 900 batero Kabalega. Or in a conference, mwina party, mwina, I don't know, wherever it is, okwenda Kuharaniraho. By the case, I'm planning to come to Kabalega. I'm planning to go to Kabalega Masindi Kuharaniraho. Omtabani wangu na Maranatha Kahomlo. Tugia kwa Masindi 1 whole week to get on mpaka. So, do you want what? And I'm actually going to book in earlier. So, I just need to call them. But Kabalega Resort Masindi. I'll be checking in for staycation very soon. As soon as my son gets his holidays. So, abantu bahoima bulisa Masindi. Kivale Mwejumbire Kabalega Resort Hoima Masindi. And by the way, we have a new branch in Yamasoga. They have the best buffet, they have the best snacks, they have the best chefs around Bunyoro. So you should try Kabalega Resort Hoima Masindi and Yamasoga. They have the best services, they have the cool environment, swimming pool okwenda kuswiminga ho oswire bakuwedingire. You come here for your honeymoon. Oina ka stress, oina maka sente kawe. You know, these days we learned how to make our money. Come chill at Kabalega Resort. Come and relax. It is one and only Kabalega Resort. And by the way, nkosima muno emudi Kabalega Resort for loving the Kitara Girls, for loving the Kitara family. We are so grateful, Mr. Emudu. Webale kutugonza. Omanyire emudu ndo wamteka muno bigambo. Aba Kabalega Kitara Girls babinge. You know we don't want to see them at Kabalega Resort. But this guy, he has always never listen to anyone. So thank you so much Kabalega Resort.
Kwongera kubayijukizaho sponsor waitondi Cubs Juice mumanyire niwe kafulu mu juice kandi muranganyire irakali yange nyina makafulu kakuntalibaniza nabeke kyo tawulire noyongera kutega matu. Cubs Juice mu town munu mumanyire, in fact ni waki asingire kora juice mu Hoima and around Bunyoro. Akusangibwa Central Market aina branch ibiri a Central Market na behind Bunyoro Kingdom. Bunyoro Kingdom mugimanya eri high, is it stand big?
Yes, so ice cream macaroni.
Ice cream macaroni. The guy is well organized kanda girenge so taha headache gonzo ino mukoro takutekaho mbu omanyira abantu abanagya kukolera notanika kora pressure mbu hato bara biturukya baitu watu aturukyo muri mogwe so bayira ba Cubs Juice mwongere musagika. Enamba ye 0 ndanganyira enamba ye 0781 43 8466 iwa ino mukoro oina wedding oina bojo
Birthday,
abakazi
baby
sometimes
shower.
nkwenda nogamba abakazi batamanyire kora akajuice for musajja
Kabzi
nekindi tuba sometimes alobu tuba tujwahire so muterera akukolera ka delivery muka
kanda akakora within a short period of time katera kabs mu dakika 2-5 akadeliver kafunire so
akajuice okahereza omusajja sigale nakyakora kinakyakenda.
Okay. So hati tubanze tubazo I think tujja kubazaho for this week mutwikize tubazeho ebikandi bigenda mu maiso mumanye tukaye mu bururu tubaintura bururu ni bugenda mu maiso kunu kuli so Kathy timanye bintu byobuluru ni yosoma nekota kubikenga nyo of course akubaza maiso ganyu hano ndi PA wa Brian
nyo ebintu byobuluru ebi baira mutanye tagati mbimanye
Alinyowe
kama omwana wo muntu omuwenka
godzaza
atwala kuli
so wiki yahoire nere hoire tukakomaho ba MPs twakomaho ba mayors and abagwire bakagwa and you're not going to deny the fact thing mukagwa, you understand? Balire. Let me first congratulate my mayor Adiel Brian Kaboyo. Abantu ba Hoima City, thank you so much for voting Brian Kaboyo. Abantu ba Hoima City inywena manya Mandela manya Kinobi manya Mparo nka buli muntu wena nambero kali haba komere Brian City Kahora division tuzeta Kahora division tuinakina kieni division zezo zinyeberezimu producer zeta bati Aroka hora na zinto zimanyire omanyire producer ne otamufele bintu bikenga bikusingisa so abantu basita inywena thank you so much for voting Brian Kaboyo and mission 2026 Kaboyo Brian ni wogo mulingo mumuhaire bendere enu making sure mu box he's the only man to represent. This guy has done so much for us omoja tulobingire kisahe esita however much ebintu bikabe kuhikirira omanyire omuntu obakuzara you don't grow from a baby you know and walk. We have stages obakuzara obanza noyihika noikara nomara kuikara notengenena from kutengenena notandika kumanya crawlinga no libata so Emiaka Brian Yekaira Kisanja, there are things he has done, and literally you people need to appreciate. Let us learn to give people flowers. You understand? Kandi na inya watakwenda Brian. Muje mujoininge group yet, because at the end of the day, you know, this is the earthly things. We are living this world. I mean, you shouldn't keep that beef, you know, Brian team. Winda agenda kugwa. Niwo na roho wirebunu. So as of now, nkona kusima abantu. Thank you so much for voting Brian. Kandi muongere muteba kumuha karuru. Kathy planning.
Nyoka ndi ati mukatandike byobururu aho timbai.
Omanyo iforo takibubu kando bali.
No, that is not it. Baitu nye bintu byobururu timbi man.
Okay, you gonna kubaza okiyali.
Topic yaitu etugenda kubazaho. Oba twina omurama gwaitu. Of course ngenda kubaza ha you know always abakazi topic yaitwe so nye bintu byobururu ebetinkira kubimanya nigamazima kandi nababayini bahabuze show yaitu you know tukwende show manya bikiba kagenda nka you people let's always learn to move at our own pace. Personally I move at my own pace tingenda kurora nanka akwiruka ati na nyonko ate directionary so iwe boko taboine Kitara maybe there is something going on or there is something we are cooking so iwe taboko kabaza biraira otaketegereze kigendo maiso so sometimes mlekege kuba very judgmental. People move at their own paces. Okay, my nene sheka bashoku yabantu. I don't think we were there and we woke up and started saying banti nyo tugenda akora show mwije mukole kino. It wasn't like that. And by the time we have a break tingamba mbu tuina kubanza twehabuza abantu mbu ati tukwenda kuumuramu but you know all in all mwebale kuturora mwebale kutugonza mwebale kututoza you know omuntu gonza kutoize mububi aba still nakwenda
aba nakwenda
ala abandi mukwenda gakutoza abantu mububi that is not the way to go omuntu twenda gakumutoza mububi bwonka like every time iwe noija in with negative energy okura so iwe muntu okusagamba maybe contact us abandi we have stations nsango ngambe you know there are some people
let me ask you Kathy when we were starting the Kitara Girls show or how to signing in our contract ramugamba we are going to work every day or how to signing in our contract
of course
apart from the producer
Of course, maybe even with our sponsors and all
Exactly.
that. But
About missing and for the love, we are so grateful and we are back. And mind you, it was seasons. So season 1 kahua we are meant to get a season 2. And omuntu when akenga over following the protocol. Obohiko kaliba torugendo oyikano humura. So we were in a break, what we could call a holiday, you understand? But literally it didn't mean the Kitara girls have vanished, because at the end of the day, none of you invited us to come. You understand? We didn't come with anyone's invitation, or we didn't come to prove a point. Because I was reading some comments, like some of the screenshots. We were seeking attention. Whose attention were you even thinking?
No, you know, Nyonga Mamuna Bante, everyone has a right to say anything. Everyone has the right of their opinion on something. Iwa wokwan or rekin take yombu or kirora, that was attention seeking. Because we are not the first people to make a show.
You're right.
Abantu Kampala everywhere, even Ruanka, people have programs. So you walk one or a program, your mood, it's attention seeking. By the way, it's not even attention seeking. Some of us, Okurora, or Rubata, omuntu na kuteka attention.
Exactly. We don't even know it.
No, not in bad faith, but omuntu sometimes alohabantu abarubata olinagamba ogonanka. So without even making a lot of noise, like some of you, okwendo gendo, or making a lot of noise on someone's name. Bikin ko okuleno in that tension.
Ati birobini bamanyire vivyaga bamasanyarazi. So ati bamanyengu by the way my producer nga bamasanyarazi bunyoro at TikTok kan.
Yeah.
Nga bamasanyarazi at TikTok bunyoro. So mbanta ga bamasanyarazi abantu ba trending, you understand? So haroha bagenda nakubamiramu. Namanyangu nyobu ntabamiramu viviti njya kufuna amasanyarazi. Baitu haraba nyagambire bo tinjya kubaha amasanyarazi kandi haraba nyagambire bo njya kufafagana nabo, you understand? Honestly speaking abo kurambu, this is a boy, you can't even clean your own ass. Now you have a dose of saying where the Kitara girls go. Tukagena munju yo tujye tukagambo so nonyoko ngo tukwija contract hano ngo so nanyoko but signing contract we are going to work as Kitara girls. No, like sometimes people, you know, people, me I've always tried to be a good girl, but you guys are dragging me to the wall of being a bad person, and I've not gained anything of being a good person. You understand? How do like I'm movie because at the end of the day you can't movie. You understand? And those who love me with my bad character, they know, and eventually they literally know how good I am. You understand? So iyo kwa no tekezambo gya kufuna amasanyazi because of the Kitara girls. I mean, go do your fucking makeup. Don't even think you're going to get makeup. You're going to get followers from the Kitara, you know, from the Kitara girls. You understand? Eh? Obaka wantu kakona.
Bandi nyamejuke nyinese niga mtanza kesa.
Inakuseka orano tero bunaga obuteri. Abantu babanyongo taga murwairi. You understand? So literally, either with the Kitara girls, we do anything at our own pace, and we follow our producers, you know. We follow our producers say and the I do's. We have the dots and we have the duos and the don'ts. You understand? So if you think we are going to here to do what you want us to do, honey, we are here to remind you. We only allow you to know what we want you to know. So we are here to let you know. Anytime we want you to know, worries, give you a show and you'll watch. And literally, these guys are watching us produce. I want to control. People watch. Hello!
Barora.
Guys are watching us, like you people are watching us. I didn't know that people watch Kitara girls. Till of late, so we have a big following like this.
I know.
You understand? We have a big following like this. Anyway, let me even first congratulate my uncle, current RDC Kikube. Congra, my sweet papa. Uncle Angalia. Hey! Let us know. Ayabairo. Akasina kali baketaka bat. Ayabairo bwe na reformer. So congratulations my sweet uncle. Congra. I am actually coming to Kikube anytime. So people of Kikube wait to see Vivi. I can't wait to meet my uncle in his office. You know, my uncle musigazi muto. So he's this styled up uncle, this styled up RDC. And he's my sweet uncle. Like, we are friends. You know, daughter and uncle friendship.
I know.
Hey.
Oli mukintu.
Ebintu bino okubira kate. Hey. Nina onijukire mbata afoma. No Vivi kiro kimubali ntera, kino antera but avanda taro
Afanda ikarao sayo.
Daddy, hi my love, how you doing? So, katubaze abantu bakwenda abakuleta abenda kure ebintu byamparanirawo because you don't like Julius and you look for those people who do not like him. Nimcreatinga a chain. Nogamba hati mulingo Vivian ogonta muenda. I think embata zino nazo tizimwenda. Nanyo kantandika olutaro. Guys, iwe kankina kumanya nyoka nimbagambire iwe kuba norwana obo kuba wanobire nyowe. Stop influencing other people to also hate me. Like buli muntu anagambe Vivi nyaka nkora kitinka munoba. Vivi kakora kitinga munoba. But at the end, even let me even ask. At the end of that day, what do you think you bring on my table? Anyway, none of you feeds me. So you know whether you hate me or do not hate me. I don't give a fuck. Life moves on.
Nyekwinkwenda gamba abantu, you know, alaha abantu abagira, you know, nyo abantu nywale abantu bandora ninseka. Walo harainaho omuntu atayine like atakuloho. Emparano giri muwenka. Like nyo kinkwenda ku advising about. In fact, this is a good show. A good topic, just that in Namakasa and Kyokura and kind of silent, Tinkwena Kubaza Muno. By if we fall Kubukaka Bonkuba Funire, Nyawanyenda peaceful falling out. Nkwenda falling out with you, Nkusange Nkuramuki. Okura. Nkugambe hi, whatever your name is, Nkugambe na Ankolota, moving ngende. But Alahabantu Bandora. Inti buho I'm making sure hona haraka genda akufole mbozi. No bwarasanga abantu bayikalire nibakore byabu agenda kuikara akusonsogole. No bwarasanga omuntu atakumanyire. Aja kutandika kathogwa mumanyire mboye katheki. Ati bwire bunu maybe omuntu akujja kundora Kitara TV. Agambo gwa Kitara TV mumumanyire mumurora atyo baitu he. All the time, you know where there are some people abamanyire. It's just that for me, I don't know, Bambi, my mother, all thanks to her that I can so mesa. Okura. So halaha obwire buntasa kuhabantu because nindora Bambi nintamunenya. Umaba kintamunenya like most people ababa nibaturwanisa illiterates.
Yeah, they are.
So hati nyowe, I always have that thing. Tingenda kuja nkurwanisa media. First of all, nyoti ntamuntu afayo mbona amanya kungurukira. Ninywa baba nibabibazoko ababonyina bakurwanisa. Baba nibakufora mbozi okura. Chongo muntu nogenda buli hamuhona. Kathogo. Kathe doesn't talk about you.
I know.
Nyo by the way, omuntu, in fact, omuntu wakusa kuhabulizibwa mbu, does Kathy talk about your name over any person is my man. Because 24/7 over, like, we are like 5 and 6. Meaning, ebintu binkuba ni nyenda kuhesa, nkusa kuba nimbigamba we, oba nisabi kugambira Vivian. But, nororo muntu oli ahura, you know, obusinge bwona bufuna naenda kuikara inasako namba za kubi oba nabazo muntu kubi. And one thing I'm going to remind people, omuntu wabano baza kubi was once your safe place.
I know.
Banti nyo akanta ko mukanoti get down. The person you're tarnishing, the person you're really wanting to put down, owo kwenda kurora ali hansi muno, was once your safe place, was once all you had, was once your secret box. Okura chonka banti nyonye kintu kinkwenda abagamba leka mwikiriza gembu mufolinga out. Iwo muntu kando kurora, most of us naito tuba twine byokubaza. Okura personally I might have a lot of things to say about someone over anyone, but I choose to keep silent. Not because ndimudoma, I choose peace, and I'm someone who, you know, nkajwaha, you know, you cannot keep fighting all your life. Okura. All I want is peace. All I want is to make money. All I want is to see my boys prosper. Okura. Ngwenda kurora abana bange bali okay. I know I want a stable relationship. I want a happy relationship. Ngwenda relationship yange eyindi munginyumirwe without stress. No, I'm being honest. Hey! I want my peace. I want peace for real. Nyabantu nkwenda kubagamba.
You're not going to give someone peace if someone keeps stepping on your head.
Ati nkwenda nyoki nkwenda kumara yokiti.
Okay.
That abantu mwegege like to always nyalo moments zinjuka nabantu ninkipinga shots umayabwaki ninjuka that this person
was once a good person,
nyarugaga nyina stress obaki niwe nimbanza kuterera. ninjuka mbu nankono nyakwatagese muni mutane mugamba mwana wa I'm very down kinu na kino msajja kozere binu niwe nangumya oba ni mugamba mwana yo now what do I want oba you know as girls chonka ati iwe abo kuba you feel you're so entitled over me okimanyira abantu abatsa entitled ntikataka bamunywani wange for better for worse no turatu tali banywani nyina kumurona na gweiraru nyina kumurona na koraki you guys let's stop that n'abantu oba no ikara kumbazaho oba kubaza hamuntu they laugh at you because at the end of the day we all twina hatuli togenda kunsanga nyoni nyikarani nkubaza kubi baiti wo kunyumirwa okwenda kurolera kimukathe ali hansi by the way let me even talk about someone
sometimes when you draw a line between us sometimes you question
atete ngambirege my point is ngambirege butuku bat falling out leka kibe a good fallout that Julius nkusangire it's okay tinkubaza otokumbazaho by the way there is some girl
Julius you give Julius you slap me this side I'll slap
you your way let me tell you
I give you the energy according to the tune we are dancing
webale muno nikyo ngambirege level zikwaukana mitha let me tell you bantinye kiro kinyikara hanu nkasese buro muntu mumanye nyine binywire because abaikara ni bandu
abakawale gansera tikathaka wine
maybe nyine kuba nyine binywire because obunywa maybe nchamuka ekyo nkimanye
by the gambe producer
kiro kimuje
mu ya wiki kuija kasaba nsanywe mu wine of I think aja kuma champagne bamuhe ka champagne ino butakila nkobu kanse abanze
nyenda
abanze omuntu
abo kuba nyowe but
Manyeka say shy and she's not confident enough to come out and
me I'm a confident person but when it comes out to trolling bintu byokurwana bike I'm always that person. You've been with me out gonzo muntu na mpema na nkora I don't retaliate like timugarulira that is me but wokusanga nywire muni nkwa but then at the end of the day bantu nyomulekeze ngeso move on because it doesn't talk about you.
People don't allow to move on. Exactly, producer. Nyokundera by the exactly, you understand?
Hatire kamba gambire kinwe. Abantu banyasomero ho nabo, abantu abamanyire kurungi, amwe born of Masindi. Ebintu binyakora gawe na 19 because nyokutandika life kubaye nisdeinga was at 19 okura. Not even 19 by the form 6 vac okura
vacation
bwire buno ebwire obo bwenyuma singa wambaza hoga tukubaire twikire haramuno but I've outgrown hale bintu bindora ningambo muntu ono norora ne kyakurwanisa kitaroho personally me I've never been there anka datinga mbunkwatire manya datingire iba munywani wange manya nkozeke I'm not in those sagas hati timanyire nkubanya kukoleire ki ekikwiki point
do you know you have those people who are once your friends and you guys fall up and these people still have keep talking bullshit about you
ngambe who feel entitled into Vivian
they cannot live without speaking about they need to come in the Africa to check on you
they have that entitlement atkan nywalo muntu umanyire kimuruma muno kubambu mi tinkarugayo goba kujuma abantu because she feels bad that maybe
you don't bring the fire back.
I don't.
Okay.
Kandi kinu nkibagambira I will never unless kibagambira ba producer kaba kunjiza mbumbanze nywemu
producer next week kafanywe butakila bubiri
abokuba nyobu hati none kindi
anywe na ka champagne tutandike show next week ngenda kuleka nkose oda yawe hana kabale make sure
it's fine.
Kase this is a girl when Kase is drunk Vivi mwana iwe but when she comes in front of the camera
atakurora but not even in front of the camera gonzanta
when you're sober
when I'm okay. And by the I don't imbunyikara antamire that is not me.
No, like when you've
got kingamba when I go out by kingamba abantu that me no bumpura kintu kinsasize I never talk about it when I'm fine obabiki because ndora no bunkibazaho at the end of the day you people I cannot change people's opinion about me. Julius no bwoliye for Vivian even if you tend to be good hano mbairo Julius Vivian naija on this short I know wajumiri but someone aja kuja comment section akujume okura. So I cannot change the way people look at me. It's either you like me or you don't. And even if you don't like me, nobundi kusemeza anta. Nyala abantu like alabantu abandura nindura na njuma ninyenya nomutu. Ningamba, and most people, by the way, it's not even our friends. Nyonga na comment section nomo nindoro munta kunjuma. Nora akwetago buyambi. No,
producer to planning up for to be a charity to tandikira abantu
no, for sure. Not in bad faith, by the way. Kine kintu mkibaza, I really need a shop attendant omusiki wanga genzera university. So some of you ababa ni banjuma ni bakora ki, you need help mukwende byokora. So kindly inbox me owe hanguliro mulimo. Mukikaro kyo kwikaro kajuma kathe hajwaire kinu ekintu kinjware to kusakigura. Chonko kujuma nyowe. You guys let's be realistic.
I know.
Muleka kututeka ho your depression.
You
guys,
you know these people have a lot of problems. That is my producer.
By nyongamba bantu. I know.
What do you mean? You know, I give you energy to energy.
Yengo.
Omanyira, you're supposed me I give you energy to energy because the more I give you that you know the respect, you're not going to give me this respect. How do you slap me, I slap you. Fuck around with me, I fuck around with your ass. You understand? So I will not give anyone time to come and step on my head to kill my brand. You guys, I know some of you really there are people, Julius, that want this opportunity. So many people want to sit here come coffee, and I dare them. Julius, no bogamango muntu momulita ikare hana Kitara girls. You're not going to sit in this camera and talk what we're going to talk. You cannot. And our IQ is not your IQ because you're not learned. You're illiterate. You understand? So you do not even have a certificate of P7. You're also shouting with people.
Kandi aloki manyira alabantu. You even can't togira na CV. By the way,
you don't even what do you
if
think
someone asks for
CV
your
is?
CV, you
do
don't
you even
have
know
it.
what CV is?
Banye kinkwenda gamba bantu.
Can you imagine? Nijukiza. Binja na iwe.
I'm not going to give you the what you're looking for. Some of you always want to, bakwenda kuhumbukira ali kafe. But me ekinkwenda era bora bagano sanga nyina nyowe musimege muno iwe bora kunyendo konondwani sasanga gani na nyono musima muno because me I don't know I live into be indora because personally everyone is going through a lot. Okura itwena we have different responsibility abakini ndema kutekereza millions zinkusasulira abana asomero nkagaruka kutekereza haliwe instead of focusing abana bange bagarukire ya somero bata. You guys, let's be honest. Let kabuli omasigare mu line ye bora wa falling out with Kathe, let me be.
I know.
Nyo personal ala abantu bansanga I say hi no muntu wajja mudukanga kamubaza kubi kindabya kubininga mbono aku abakubala abantu bamanyire obwamanya you fell out with this one.
They want to keep bena kwita rugambo Vivi omanyire ali bakubaza this days by the Kathe you notice nyowe jana Vivi by hand bagamba kiti and I'm like carry your ass and get your hell out of my shop. And actually birobin producer nkateka cameras muduka hati birobin mpuro rugambo ruona nobo kuja no mpesa muduka yangi my camera has it has a sound so in case there is how someone have gotten peace no muno rugamba you've chosen peace, you're not around, like you're in Kampala, you're relaxing in your place but and empunu nazo nzikudraginga to come back on ground and still start this chicken, they want you back and into fights again.
Nyowe rekamba gambire I choose peace and the rest is background
no
noise.
Me I'll never choose peace until you give me the energy I'm
going to give you. Gambire no boraba yoko no rwani sakathe no enda sayo na kumbazaho. Some of you can't even stone your stations mwikara kutoza ekike kigwira ali kathe. The others who even come nibalinguze duka erimuki erime bintu bakahuran bagamba you so and one thing I'm going to tell you people even if you do a lot okay rwata akakuraki manyabikibi okutoza hati kathate alteiremuki hati kathabi you guys tindi bagarukam and that is me. I'm not going to reply any of you. Not because I don't have anything to say about you. Some of us twin a lot win about you. But sometimes nyale bintu bindora, that is not me. however much you push me, that can never be Kathy, Mama Ashley.
Me, you fuck that around with me, I am going to deal with you accordingly. Anyway, katubanze tusime abakendi baturabona. Mwewale muno na betu katandikire again tugenda kuhumura kufuna lunch kuruga Kabalega Resort mutarugaho part 2 ekujeri ya mani. Part 2 nkwenda kuteka mu abantu enkebe. Nkwenda kugaza mu abantu engeso because habokuba haroho manyire omunyora gamba no bomigiza producer gamenye no bogimigiza muno korot
ogiho musai
hata nyindo yange no haroho hawe nagimigiza muno yagiha mu musai hatiwe orata kusana kupostinga kibabuni kiawe ekyo you also want to fuck around with Vivi
ala haine kibabuni
my dear muikale hanu mumanye abo tugaruka tukuruga mu break ya lunch omuntu nakwenda babuni chimpanzee. You girl, man, like I look at you with that. I dare to bring a P7 pass slip. No, when I Kumanyira your Vivi, Abaire Morovia, Abaire St. Jude, Abaire St. Andre. I dare to bring one of your OGs on this app. I dare you. Like to Garuka to finish lunch. Don't go away. Keep watching.
Discover your home away from home at Kabalega Resorts, Hoima. Located just 4 kilometers from Hoima City on the Hoima-Masindi Road. A real resort in an eco-environment. Nestled near the stunning Albertine Escarpment and historic Mparo Royal Tombs. We are the perfect blend of convenience and charm. Treat yourself to our cozy rooms, mouth-watering meals at the restaurant, and refreshing moments in our outdoor pool. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our conference facilities, camping grounds, and fun-filled kids' playground are ready for you. Escape, relax, reconnect at Kabalega Resorts. Hoima, your adventure starts with us. Book today.
Kumanyira. Yes, ana kumanyira. Okay. Mwebale mu break egyo, mwebale mu kyamsane kitulire kuruga Kabalega Resort. It has been a buffet, the best buffet around Bunyoro, with the best chefs, with the best environment. So abantu ba Hoima, Bulisa, Masindi, Inywena, muteba kuja Kabalega Resort, Hoima, Masindi na Nyamasoga. So Kabalega Resort Hoima okugisanga 4 kilometers noruga Hoima mu town hamukono gwago obuli omwana gwa Masindi nokiyaruga Maranatha Primary School obakusaka kubahikira number 0393 19 3860 Kabalega Resort Masindi okusaka kubahiki okusaka kubasanga Masindi noruga Masindi mu town hamwana gwa Kampala still 3 kilometers noruga Masindi mu town nisana gena bigando obakusaka kubahikira number 0392 900 Kabalega Resort Nyamasoga okusagi kankagenda airport oja kuba nogiranye yonkeriyo. Of course ababaira Kabalega Resort, you know how we do our things. You know the type of Kabalega I'm talking about, and I think Kabalega, as far as I know, abantu bahima busawa tamanyi munyoro. If you've not been to Kabalega, I don't know where you are. Like, I mean, oli monsiki you. What do you mean? Oina kujano mazo slayingo ijano mazo gendo maizo nabo ijano twina steam na sauna you know, come and have fun. You know, if you come to Kabalega Resort, you're never going to have that hatred about the Kitara girls, but because you've never reached here, honey. Nyajukaba na baseruza gaba sponsor babura ate bakubani barambu ina Kabalega. I feel bad nayenga. Kathy, tell people about Cabs.
Kubaijukiza Cabs juice onutumuranga buli kilo Cabs
juice Collins.
Aina ice cream okwenda milkshakes okwenda mango shakes, every type of shake. He has it. He's found at Central Market. Central Market akusanga second floor.
Yes.
Then Ali behind Bunyoro Kitara Bunyoro Kitara, is it Kingdom?
Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom has stand big aho inyuma aho gya kumusanga. Then iwakwende number yo kumusanga 0781 43 84 66. Muterero akwikyo service eri legit. Okay. Cabs juice as usual. Mutebura muhagiro mwana wowanyu mwana omurungi mwana wengeso. I like Collins. Collins is a very good guy. Kandi Corini, I don't want a Cabs on. Bambi anyenda. And he always wants to see her peace. And I'm Vivi, boss wange. You know, he calls me boss wange. Like I've been nyonkwendo seeing, so he usually wants to create peace. Unless when it goes beyond agamba mukama wange.
Nkwairo rukusa.
Okay, rukisa.
Antina agamba ati it's fine take
over. Rukisa. So, abantu ba kamanze nsima abantu ba Buhaguzi East Constituency. Mwebale kuma writers Amot, Steven Asera. You guys, abantu bakikube. Mwebale kuma moto no. This is my friend. I've been with for like I think 3 years or 4. And omanyira abantu ba Hoima they have a cheap mentality. You wrote up kuba na abanywana abai high profile. If you see me with Mayor, you see me with RPC, you see me with RCC, you see me with the MOPs. And you think I sleep with them. You come and also be with them and sleep with them and we see. Keep them as your friends and we see. So I want to Hoima, there are people who have cheap mentality and cheap thinking. Anyway, some of you I don't even blame you. Because timu na connection in, you understand? Nyo vivi kuba nina kasako kabantu high profile people.
Abakungu.
Hey! So you think I am sleeping there with them? Go come sleep with them and leave that chimpanzee of yours. Bogus. Hunting, you know, obonkwe hara producer kutakora violence. Kwete kusanga njumira abantu.
Platform bagikwairege mbukoto bakuteraho na nevane empyaka enkoto onywero hamaizi. Nikyo bagimuhererege enkoto producer ebintu yabikukwasa.
Ekite kikuluma abantu ba Hoima. But not everyone. By that, there are people who love me and there are people like us. Not everyone. And actually, if the shoe fits you, you wear it. They are a category of small people that think, with this Asako. You find me with a DPC, you find me with the who, you find me with the who, you find me with the who, you find me with the who. So someone, you think, because I am a friend to these guys, the MPs, the Wawe, man, you think I'm sleeping with them. One reason you can't be with these guys, you cannot even speak English for yourself. You understand? Or not a certificate here, P7. You were a refugee. You also want to come to Vivi. I mean, these are refugees that are lost. I think I am sorry to attack refugees, but then there is this refugee who doesn't know where she belongs. I think she should go back to the camp. Why is she even wasting time in our city? I think I need to speak to Lord Mayor. We kick our ass out. The city no mulingo Mayor anta munyani wange hani. Kaya kona we might kick your ass out of the city, so go slow, humps ahead. I am trying so much not to be bad, but man, you guys are dragging to that. Let me even drink Navana.
Go amazing, go baga kwaire.
Munywe hamaizi gakora kurunge itimane ihari. So ambanikyanywa otu is omanyire awaninyo Vivi wabwe kabanyaganyire ngesombi hare topic producer manyi nakubazaho ntakabe kora ka violence nakora try tukumalira hariho oboso mu town muno akagenda yakosomwa na wo muisiki oya maze mukoso musiki na mukole mwaka gumu ne miezi nkani yegyo something happened unknowingly nkobo manyire we've all been in a company, we've worked for people. Kathy, we are humans. I mean, mistakes happen. You can never avoid mistakes. Omwana umisiki somewhere she misplaces the key of the safe. So this woman, akwato muiskionu, she drags her to the police. The girl stolen my money. Omisiki ibe sente zange, blah blah. So they happen kuchekinga omuski omwa halakuko omwa ye munju ye like her room because she was sleeping within the hotel. A checkinga ebintu omuski amaze kumkwata mtwaile nka a police hati katika nkwabuze
ataka kengere kiki
abakenge omuski kamudupa ono bosa kadupa omusiki ija tugende nkona kutwara samwe omusiki ikara mu motoka kasangamuki abasirikali bamukuwa to bamukuwa sino mtwaranka a police bamtwa a police omusiki ati bagaka kuchekinga
bamuteka munda.
Yes, ijukaba kwata anawia.
I know.
Kasi no one is ready for the sale, right? Hata omusiki no bamukase bamutwara baja kuchekinga. Oba checking ebintu bya bisange mu sente. You understand? And exumuzo kyabe kimuze kya safe. One of the colleagues to the boss, yali exumuzo spare, but ingure safe. So the girl thought, by the time that he got lost, the man was already in a safe, and she thought the man was there. So the boss, one of the colleagues to the boss, he brings the key or she brings the key to open the safe. Basanga sente zimuni ziburao. So bakwata this girl like you're misplacing again. Sumuzo sente ozibege and all that. Umusikiba mukwata. Babagenza kebele sente mu bintu byayo. Of course kaso kubonye obile sente. You're supposed to have money in your things. You come and check. They went and checked the girl things. There was no money. Akasikiba akateka yoko kabayo, then you know. We fought left, right, and center to see this girl was out, and eventually she was. And I want to thank everyone who was in for this. But even after the girl going through this torture, you know, paying the money that she didn't steal, this woman has the audacity of posting this girl.
Posting her?
Yes, like on social media. She's a thief, she stole her money. I mean, you've taken the girl to the police. She has spent there at night. After spending the night, we've gotten the money and paid. We've looked for the money, which money we've borrowed and paid you back. And after, you still have a dust of posting this girl. This is a person who has really who has been making good money for you. Some bosses, you need to really, you know, have some humanity in you. You understand?
No, alaba boss banda batekereza obwakuhira mulimo, that is your end.
Come on, you've lived.
So you think akutekereza akusisa repetition ye agena mugala mu kyaro.
Akumuisa brand akumusisa ibara kana kabanda kasinsiro mubara. This is very innocent girl. I was so hurt. I was like,
I na why no mwana mwisiki.
You know, I was so disappointed. I was so hurt. I was like, I need to talk about this, by the way, this story of this woman, because I personally I was around whatever was going on. Like omuntu akaba boss you guys need to style up. If I've really made money for you, I understand I'm a human, you are a human too. In any case that I do not have an idea, on try the police nkuwasire sente, on civile, ndugire sente zisasuire. Why would you even have a dust of posting me like I am a thief? Like the whole public should know I am a thief.
But even the boss abandi bakora intentionally
you know?
I know.
Omwisiki bamare miezi batamusasura ne 10. Siba miezi 2 batamusasuire, bamuyamu sente uvuti bambe kamama ka sente stazina yamanzana kuzehora, no bwamaze kuzehoza kusasuire. At the end of the day you're posting on social medias. Ababosa abamu ene siteri nyangu, teri nsi yanyu.
I know.
You do not know where tomorrow.
Kandi nanyo mwina bana mzaire. You
have daughters and sons. And that's why you see God is punishing some of you some way. You understand? You're there crying, but when you come to the public, you prove a point. I am okay, because you're making people's daughters cry. You cannot make someone's daughter okulehe million mune mitwaro almost senkani yejo. Amazireglea omukuwasire omusibire omaze kumusiba otanike kumurasa sensi yona mungu yabile sente. Is it really human? Omwana no byabena kukolera 24/7 morning evening.
Ataina nabwire mwana ebugenda anyway.
Na kora buli kilo kate like morning evening night extra hours. This is how you're paying someone's daughter. Some bosses, by the way, mwegenge so kandi mwege kurabi abana babanti kurungi. Otherwise mujya kusigara na kampuni zanyu mutakai na bakubakolera because mwina engese stali nongi. I am telling you this.
Abandi kampuni zanyu, kampuni zabo abandi zire nyuma muno, they don't know why they're still there. Mbo kampuni zabo tiziku developing.
Surely. I am a boss too, but this is not how I teach people. You understand? Omwana wani no musiba mwaze kumusibisa omuyiremu sente ozimukalakiremu bambi bazihire kunu behoza koze kwasa kuwasire kandi ko manye bintu bitaragiye no bamazire kuzifuna zino nabo mu posting yo kumuswaze nsiyona. Whom do you think is going to employ this girl? Because at the end of the day she left your workplace.
I know.
She's supposed to look for survival.
Na kasente kayakubaire na akora make.
Na kona kamusasule. You understand? How sure are we that ni will tell me why be the sente safe?
I know.
No bamaze kurugaho, you're now tarnishing her name that she cannot even get another job. Really? This is a person who has bills to clear. This is a person who has a name to protect. I am going to defend the girl child this time around. And baby girl, wherever you are, I am going to fight for you. No worry. You know me, I'm one woman's army. I'm going to fight for you, baby.
I know. Mwebale muno kutugonza. Mwebale muno kutufollowinga. Kia lero, like, you know, nyeki nkwenda agamba aba boss. You know, omuntu weena bwaba nakukolera mukwatege kurungi banti nyo omuntu womukwata kurungi nawe abamunako obuntu nyowe tingenda agenda tokwijja hano kangamba Kathy John kolere oli boss nkahura history yo arabizemo mutayi wange nkaikiriza kukolera meaning na nyongenda kwijja nyina ikintu kinkwenda nkukole either nja kwiba otakikengere nyoto sa orundi torankenge nije with my mission
producer omuntu wayibasigara they have but they even failed to produce the footage
nyeki nkusagamba ogwo muntu umanyire naitwe twijukege lazima ogwo muntu ogwo boss akaba alinzira obwire bwokoraki kwiha omwisiko gwa hamulimo atamusaswira atakozereki ayinayenda mu humiliatinga atamusaswira atamukozereki but that wasn't the right way to go about everything.
Actually even I was
iwo barabo ino mutima mubi yes tugambe abakubeta one kumanyo ino mutima mubi
niye nkora yao
niye nkora yao but omuntu okwasira muswaize banti nywe kuteka mu nyonka gama omuntu kuteka mu sale abakwikizeyo
haro ndiwe nakusiba garuke mwenke
ate baita bakwikizeyo okuhura so ekyo kiyonka ekuba the punishment yo haire girl child.
I know
girl child kuba mu sale omuntu akuteire mu nkoma abakwikizeyo meaning ekyo was the punishment omugambira kwatasasure ne sente omwisika bayira tetegekere nko kubagambire abayira manyira ali hamulimo gwe esente bambi safe abantu nabantu batukora nabo baba babi ogwo wanyina wokora nawe nuwa kuibe sente naenda kikunagema kwani wobayira shift okuhura so hatiwe muntu okwasira omusibire omuleheseze omisikiba muhireyo mu nkomo and still you're tarnishing her name. How do you want her to survive?
Like how?
Okwenda kumuteka hekibara mbogwa ta musuma
nikyakora mwana iwe nikwa kutana postinga yakatu kya posters umwana musuma ogwo mutaka kumwikirizamu edede ati watazara musuma ndera boye koza omuhara wakazara mu muyayo ndera well
I know
like
so anyway
I got so touched about this girl story abakwenda a story ezokusabura abantu. I am back and I'm very ready to kurabya mwe girl come bring those stories. You know where I am, you have my number, you have my TikTok account. Muije me, I am here
I know
as long as I'm still with this head no one's going to kill me
and thank you for watching us ababaini
by the way, I appreciate people who have been looking for us. Those who have been looking for us in a good way. They really miss our show.
About serwire with a good
intentions
by intentions nungi na gamboli na kusanga kathebo jesho yanyu katagirora. You know we really appreciate you. Na babaile ni batuserura mbubi kituongera mani nti you watch us. Kituongera mani mwikara muturora.
They know, they really literally want to know what is happening, what are we saying,
so and by the way kabuli yoma muvinga their own pace.
Yeah, sure.
Nyonga amba bantu nyengaro tizingana. Gonza in real life.
Not really.
Some of you hala abantu wachivinga kinu natanka kujuma abandi. Natanka kurangira abantu. Because managing kufune business nitandika kujuma tainayo. Bulioma aino mlinga moving at their own pace. So bantu nyomulekege kwikara kuteka abantu ha pressure. Iwe borabo sobere kufuna ka business, borabo sobere kufuna whatever thing you have.
Whatever achievement.
Stop assuming other people are doing badly.
Just because we do not post.
No. Not even posting, buliomu wakumanya how their life is going.
Yeah, sure.
Some of us abantu ba ina responsibility nyingi. Abantu noba mutwe gwe family abantu bayinga bali mitwe ye family okura so people have different responsibility. Don't be there and you think you were in a business all time nayo mbu wakubonabona so bantu nyomulekege kwa vinga that stupid mentality intono bwakuba na akora rundi mu government atona akora nka all in wakubonabona haliyo nabanda muine sente mtakusano kuziteka hantu like and it yields obank gambe ntakikaturuka okura so at the end of the day bwongo nibo tukwetaga mubelekera okuteka abantu down because you have something oli naenda kuteke down nanka nyongire business iwo togira nyowe nkazara iwo tamugumba you know
but now we choose to show you what we
want. That's what I told them in the first place. We are going to give you what we want you to know. We are
our successes.
They are behind curtains.
And you know one thing I'm going to tell people. mwegege kusima personally nyonsi mu bwomezi bwange where I am now abamanyire is not the way I was years back so my success I'm not going to go there and say hatingira kinu hatinka managing kinu because nzamanyije nava ninyamanyire handugire ninyamanyire mukama hanyihire so at the end of the day you guys mlekege that mentality mbwa Julius takwevuga Julius aine pick you don't know where Julius puts their money learn to be happy for everyone okura omuntu ba muntu akwendeza buli omu otaikara mbuna nkafunire kinu ora kijorongo kiteke hansi personally era abantu abo bobo manyire nti bwogenda gamba nanka katerera ali smart nagabira ha lero banzorole amaguru gamukyamire banzorole amanyo tigarugireyo you always want kuba oine kibikyo kubaza ali kathe. You people learn to take things okamanya mbuliyoma moving at their own pace. Nyobu nkubanyi ne business iwo taina maybe ine byo kunsingisa okura. Some of abantu abanda baina everything but they don't have peace. Iwo bokuba no sorureki okulyoka kifuna that is okay. Okura buliyoma movingira pace mukusanga bantu nyo mutaku movingira pace zanyu mugenda kwesanga muri in stupid drama in stupid competition and wanting to prove a point ogenda kwesango ibire ogenda kwesango kozeki just to prove a point na bekyo bantu nyo leka buliyoma movinga at their own pace and one thing ekinyina kusemba yo God's timing is always the best. So iwo tatekereza because you feel you're entitled omanyire kathe that you have a say over kathe. Kathe aja kugwa, kathe aja kora. You're not God, my dear. Toli mukama okura. So at the end of the day bantu nyemulekege that mentality. Tali ni mutonzi wafe ya salawo. Mukama waito nuwe nyini nuwasarawo. So mulekege putting others down. Personally I'm talking for even people abali hansoko. Abantu numubajerega ni mateka kimbu because you're somewhere. Muhindule mengeso zanyu, you know?
Okay.
Niwe
TikTok. Tibajagirora. You're not going to, you know, if you cannot watch, by the way, I keep telling people, if you do not like Targaus, scroll your ass and go. Let the one who wants to watch us and, you know. We have peace, but I love one thing I love about producer. Omudo katika comment and producer comment block the us. So they come in fake accounts and this is they no longer do violence on our show. So thank you so much. Nkwenda kusima abantu bona ababunyoro aba outside bunyoro aba Canada, California, Uganda, Kampala, Lisa, Kivale, Masindi. Thank you so much for loving the Kitara girls. Thank you so much for subscribing on Kitara TV. It is always 5 p.m. Ntumalira show yetu. And by the way, these guys are broad.
These high profile.
I know,
yeah, we have the high profile. No. If Kabalega Resort can come out and sponsor the Kitara girls, then how about you? Like, who are you? Hey! We still here and we are not going anywhere, and we always give you what we want you to see. So it is always Kabalega Resort, Hoima, Masindi and Nyamasuga for sponsoring the Kitara girls. Kakati Bobo for God Gaga. Anyway, thank you so much for watching us. Thank you so much for loving the Kitara girls. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to comment. We are back in action. Are you ready for next week's show? Are you ready? But look at someone who says we have a kaiku. I mean, you cannot even, she's even in a private account.
Can you kwenda gamba bantu? Aging is not
aging is not where we are. You're coming there and I
by the way, let me even tell you lekanda byokana kantu tikiri gamba mbu where we are abamanyire myaka yetu batumanyire.
No, it is okay.
Nyonga mbabantu baze byokwenda amanye myaka janga jimanyi.
No kase no bajimanyi.
Abakuzire ni batulaba nyoti ngenda kweteka he myaka mbu because people are saying and by the way no bundaba ni nkura oli by the nyeki nyagambire munsi muno tinsa katinga my years. Era my birthday is November
on day
age yange
the first they are giving birth. Kathy, where we are, we dare them to look good on our current age. Avagama we are old, but I mean at the end of the day, Nobokura, we the older ones, we are fucking looking good than you are. You understand? Omuloko mu fake accounts, muloko mu private accounts. Nyonga bagamba. You fuck around with me, I deal with your mother.
Nyowe nkabagamba tin hiding my age. Nkagibaza na han. so sachinga obonda sister wangu umpondera niwe yakasa tu umpondera mulekege kutuma mulekege kutumanyira manyira and by the mulekege kuturora hanu oba notekeza tulibenjara oba we come from good families by the way to like I don't know abakibanti nyo mutekerezo bobo okurora omanyire batekezo bwa kurora TikTok ya Julius akagenda mbakuba muyambire oja no kusanga producer atasasurwa cool so you guys mulekege kutujwaya nemyaka tikikyali kijumo abatwagala webali abatufaako baliyo bakogya nebintu bye.
Okay, mwebale muno kutugonza mwebale muno nambe tukatandikire mpaka hati nambe tukumalira show. It has been nice having you guys. We can't wait to see you next week, same time, same station. Thank you so much for loving us.
Bye bye.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.